Okay, for this problem, I'm going to give you, let's pretend we have 18 people in the class. And one of them has never had a cell phone. 3 of them have had one cell phone. 5 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, have had 2 cell phones. 3 people have had 3 cell phones. 3 have had 4 cell phones. And 3 have had 5 cell phones. Okay. And we're going to find all kinds of information about this. So, let's start by finding the mean. So the mean, we add all of these numbers together, and when we add them all up, we should get 49, and there are 18 of them. So if you divide 49 by 18, we get a mean of 2.7. And that should make sense, right? Somewhere, somewhere close to the middle value, right? It's not exactly, but that's kind of in the general area. Okay, so there's the mean. Got that. Taken care of. Now let's find the median. Median. Well, the median is the number in the middle. It's a horrible color. Okay, so if I work my way to the middle, cross out small, big, 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 small, big. I have 2 in the middle. So when I look at these, I say, okay, no problem. The number directly between them is the median. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 divided by 2 gives me a median of 2.5. Great. Okay. Let's find the mode. Well, the number is the number that appears most often, and there are 5 2's. So mode, I think, is one of the easier ones to find. There are 5 2's, so the mode is 2. What else do we need? So that was the median, that's the mode. Additionally, state the minimum. Minimum is simply the smallest number. In this case, my smallest number is 0. Maximum, what's my biggest number? 5. That helps when you put them in order least to greatest. Okay, so I have min, main, okay. I'm up to the range. Well, the range is the difference between the min and the max. So the difference between 0 and 5 is 5. Great. Now, the only thing I have left is the 25th and 75th percentile. So we found the 25th and the 75th percentile. If you think about it, if this is all of our data here, the median, which we already found, we cut it in half, cuts it directly in half, which is the 50th percentile. If we cut the first half, right, so from 0 to 50, if we cut that in half again, half of 50 is 25th percentile. If we go to this one and cut this one in half, that's the 75th percentile. So basically, you start by finding the median. Then this is the median of the first half. This is the median of the second half. So when we go back to our data, I go to my first half. This is my first half, and I find just the median of those numbers. So cross out, cross out, cross out, cross out, cross out, cross out, cross out. Boom! There's my 25th percentile. It's 2. And if you'll notice, there are 4 numbers here and there are 4 numbers here, because these percentiles are going to cut our data into equal chunks. Now, when I go to the top half, small, high, small, high, small, high, small, high, boom. 4 is my 75th percentile. And again, look, 4 numbers here, 4 numbers in the top half. So you have 4 chunks of numbers, each have 4 numbers in it, and that makes it work. Okay, let's do another one of these. Okay, so we have 12 numbers here, and I'm gonna go ahead and rewrite them. Hopefully I can get them all in one line. So 65, 65, 66, 67, 67, 67, and then 68, 68, 68, 68, 68. There are 6 68s, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 numbers. So to find the mean, well, we add them all together. If I add all of these together, I get 805. Divide by the 12 numbers, and my mean is 67.08. I'm going to do some of the other ones before I start doing. I'm going to do the median, the 25th and the 75th percentile last, because I'm going to start marking up all my problems. So I'm going to do the mode next. Which one appears most often? Well, 68 is there 5 times. So the mode is 68. The minimum, smallest number. The maximum, biggest number. The range, the difference between them. Well, 68 minus 65 is 3. So that takes care of all of those. What did I not do yet? I think all I have left is the median and the percentiles. Okay, so let's start marking these up. To find the median, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. I have 2 in the middle. So my median is going to be the between those. And if I take 67 plus 68 and then divide by 2, my median is 67.5. Okay, so now I'm going to look at just my front half. Low, high, 2 numbers here. Again, I'm going to cut the middle. So the 25th is 66 plus 67 divided by 2 is 66.5. I go on this side. Let me change color for effect. Low, high, I have 2. I cut between them. My 75th is 68. You will see 3 numbers. Between each vertical bar, there are 3 numbers. And that should always work when you're breaking up 25th, 50th, and 75th percentile. All right. This one, I'm going to give you another data set here. So I have 4, 5.5, 5.5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8. So we have 10 numbers. 3, 6, 10. Yep, 10 numbers in our data set. So to find, we're going to do just what we just got done doing. The mean, we add them all up. When I add these all up, I get 62. I divide by 10, and my mean is 6.2. Again, your mean should fall somewhere between your smallest and biggest numbers. 6.2 is between 4 and 8, so that's potentially good. My mode is the number that appears most often. In this case, 6 is there 4 times. My minimum is my smallest number, which is 4. My max is the biggest number, which is 8. The range is the difference between those 2 numbers. 8 minus 4 is 4. I think, yep, I'm ready for the median in all of those numbers. So let's go to blue. If I had to find my median, small, high, small, high, small, high, small, high, 2 in the middle. Because there's 2 in the middle, my median cuts right through them. 6 plus 6 is 12 divided by 2. My median is 6. Now, my front half of my data. Low, high, just this number. So the 25th percentile is 5.5. On the right side, low, high, only one number, so it cuts through. My 75th percentile is 7. So you see that I have 2 numbers, 2 numbers, 2 numbers, 2 numbers. Again, my vertical line should break it up into even chunks when I'm talking about percentiles.